Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We've got some exciting news to share. You can now earn a cool $350 every day just by watching movies. Imagine getting paid for doing something you absolutely love, watching your favorite films. Today, we'll show you how you can make money online in 2024 by simply turning your passion for movies into a profitable venture. With this awesome method, you get to choose which movies you want to watch while making money at the same time. No more sitting through boring films or content that doesn't interest you. Instead, you can create your very own movie marathon, explore different genres, and have a blast enjoying the cinematic experience while also earning a decent income. What's great about this opportunity is that it combines entertainment with making money, so you can have fun while also making a living. Just imagine the thrill of getting paid to immerse yourself in captivating stories, amazing performances, and stunning visuals. It's like a dream come true for all you movie buffs out there who want to turn your love for films into cash. So, stick around to find out how you can start earning $350 every day by watching movies and transforming your passion into profit. It's going to be epic. All right, let's dive in. Pay close attention so you don't miss any important details. Our first stop is filmtagger.com. To access it, simply type filmtagger.com into a new browser tab, or search for it on Google and click the first search result. Now you might think earning money by watching movies sounds too good to be true, but Filmtagger actually makes it more achievable than you might imagine. This platform caters to a wide range of people, including screenwriters, directors, movie buffs, and students, by offering a movie recommendation tool to help discover films worth watching. Here's a little secret that many movie enthusiasts aren't aware of. Filmtagger has the potential to earn you a significant amount of money while you enjoy your favorite movies. When you explore the website, you'll come across movies tagged with information about their genre, theme, setting, and more. By clicking on specific buttons, you can uncover popular movie themes and even find movies that perfectly match your preferences. Filmtagger is the ultimate tool for discovering new movies. Whether you're a die-hard fan in search of the best films or a film student looking to focus on your studies, you'll find it incredibly useful. Simply type a movie's name into the search bar and you'll instantly see matching results on the website. Additionally, by clicking on the movie's description and selecting Show or Hide keywords, you can view genre matches and other keywords that offer a better understanding of the film. Now, onto our second website, Netflix. To understand why tags are important, let's delve into their significance. You can visit jobs.netflix.com to explore opportunities as a movie tagger. As a movie tagger, your role is pretty straightforward. You watch movies and TV shows available on Netflix and assign appropriate tags based on specific criteria. By doing this, you can earn up to $350 per day. Your responsibilities include providing subjective information to entice viewers and objective facts like details about the cast. Keep in mind that Netflix's website is the main platform for tagger positions, so make sure to be diligent in your search. To improve your chances of landing a role, consider bookmarking the Netflix jobs page and checking regularly for available positions. Now let's check out our third website, Nielsen.com, which offers an intriguing opportunity to earn money by watching movies. Nielsen is a well-known name in media assessment, with over 9 years of experience in television ratings. They conduct consumer research in more than 100 countries. By enrolling in the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, you can take part in their research and gain insights into consumer behavior. All you need to do is install the Nielsen program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, and continue watching your favorite TV shows, movies, or other online content as usual. The best part? You don't have to change your viewing habits or deal with unwanted advertisements. The setup is hassle-free, and you get to choose what you watch. Participating in the program also enters you into monthly sweepstakes with a chance to win prizes. It's a great way to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite entertainment. At wintub.com, you can immerse yourself in a world of earning potential simply by watching videos online. Whether you're catching up on the latest movie trailers, enjoying entertaining commercials, or binge-watching your favorite TV shows, every minute you spend translates into cash. With a promise of at least $1 per minute, your time is not only well spent, but also financially rewarding. But that's not all. WinTube goes beyond individual earnings by offering a lucrative referral program. By inviting friends to join, you not only introduce them to an exciting earning opportunity, but also earn rewards yourself. For every friend you refer who signs up, you receive $1, while they receive $5 as a welcome bonus. It's a win-win scenario that encourages you to share the wealth with your social circle. Once you've accumulated earnings and reached the minimum payout threshold, accessing your money is hassle-free. Wintub.com provides multiple options for transferring your earnings, whether it's directly to your PayPal account for instant access or to your bank account for added convenience. This flexibility ensures that your hard-earned cash is readily available whenever you need it. Moreover, Wintub.com boasts an extensive partnership network, collaborating with over 1,500 brands to offer a diverse array of videos for your viewing pleasure. From promotional content to exclusive previews, you'll find a rich tapestry of video content that caters to varied interests and preferences. With new videos regularly added to the platform, there's always something fresh to discover and enjoy. In summary, these 4 websites present thrilling prospects for earning money while indulging in your love for movies. Whether you're keen on discovering new films, delving into the world of movie tagging, contributing to consumer research, or simply watching videos online, each platform offers unique avenues for movie enthusiasts to turn their passion into profit. So why not seize the opportunity to explore these websites and start earning while enjoying the movies you love? With the potential to earn anywhere from $10 to $60 per day, or even more, people from all corners of the globe can tap into this technique to supplement their income or even turn it into a lucrative full-time endeavor. Don't hesitate to dive in and discover the endless possibilities that await you in the world of movie-based earning opportunities. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next one.